Hi students and friends, welcome to my channel. This is Sir Ayaz and I am conducting chemistry class for the syllabus code 5070. In this lesson, I am going to talk about some basic concepts behind the compounds being organic or not and homologous series. The learning outcomes for this lesson would be describe a homologous series as a group of compounds with a general formula, similar chemical properties, and showing a graduation in physical properties as a result of increase in the size and mass of the molecules. For example, melting and boiling points, viscosity. Let's start with the definition of organic compound. Organic compounds, the compounds which contain carbon as an essential element. The exceptions are oxides, carbonates, and bicarbonates of carbon. For example, metal carbonates, they are not organic. Carbon dioxide, it's also not organic. Carbon monoxide, it is also not organic, although they contain carbon in them. Here are a few examples of some organic compounds from our daily life, like wood. This is an example of wood. It's an organic because this one contains carbon as an essential element. Coal, it is also organic because it also contains carbon as an essential element. Coal, wood. In all these, the carbon being essential, which means they all show typical properties of being organic. Like on combustion, all will produce carbon dioxide, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, steam, along with some unburned carbon in the form of black or gray ash. Let's talk about hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are the compounds containing carbon and hydrogen only. These are some examples of hydrocarbons. You see, all these contains carbon and hydrogen. You see, in all of these compounds contain only two atoms: carbon, hydrogen, carbon, hydrogen, carbon, hydrogen. That's why they are called hydrocarbons. Functional group: the atom or group of atoms in an organic compound which govern their chemical properties. For example, in alkene, functional group is carbon-carbon double bond. And alcohols, the functional group is hydroxyl or OH. This is an example of alkene. This is an example of alcohol. Now I am circling it with green. These will be functional group in these compounds. Now let's talk about homologous series. A series of family where each successive member differs by CH2 group or 14 units. You can take example of any family. Here I am taking the example of alkane family. This is the first member of alkane. Now if I want to write the formula of second member of alkane, I will simply add CH2. I will get the second member. In this way, you can also predict the formula of the third member and so on. You can apply this rule to any other families. All the members of the family have same general formula, For example, alkanes have general formula CnH2n plus 2. This is the general formula of alkanes. Alkenes, the general formula is CnH2n. For alcohols, the general formula is CnH2n plus 1 OH. Chemical properties of all the members are very similar. For instance, alcohol on oxidation give carboxylic acids. Alcohols oxidation carboxylic acids. Alkenes on addition reaction with hydrogen give alkenes. Alkenes addition of hydrogen get alkenes. All the members of the family have same functional group. For instance, the functional group in alkenes is carbon-carbon double bond. The functional group in alcohol is OH. These are the functional group. All the members of the family can be prepared by similar methods. For example, alcohols can be prepared by the hydration of alkenes. Hydration of alkene means we are reacting alkenes with steam or water, we get alcohol. Carboxylic acids can be prepared by the oxidation of alcohols. Oxidation. Carboxylic acids. Members have gradual change in their physical properties like boiling point and melting point. As we go down the series, there's a gradual change, like there's gradual increase in boiling point in alkane family with increase in number of carbon atoms. See the table. This is the first member, methane. The boiling point is minus 164. And in the second member, which is ethane, the boiling point increases to minus 89. In the third member, which is propane, the boiling point increases to -42. In butane, the fourth member, it will be -1. In pentane, it's 36. This is because the molecule becomes larger. This is because the molecule becomes larger or increase in the size, increase in the size, the increase with the increase in carbon chain. And mass of the molecules and mass of the molecules. The intermolecular or van der Waals forces also get stronger. Forces also get stronger. Therefore, high amount of heat is required. Heat is required, or you can write needed, to break down the forces, to break down the forces. Here's a summary of the today's lesson. Organic compounds, the compounds which contain carbon as an essential element. The exceptions are oxides, carbonates, and bicarbonates of carbon, hydrocarbons, compounds containing carbon and hydrogen only. Functional group, the atom or group of atoms in an organic compound which govern their chemical properties. For example, in alkenes, functional group is carbon-carbon double bond. So on. Homologous series. Homologous series, a series of family where each successive member differs by CH2 group or 14 units. Characteristics homologous series, all the members of the family have same general formula. Chemical properties of all the members are very similar, chemical properties. All the members of the family have same functional group. All the members of the family can be prepared by similar method. Members have gradual change in their physical properties like boiling point and melting point as we go down the series. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share my channel.